Hey there guys, welcome back again. And in this one, I'm going to simply show you guys how to move a file from anywhere on OneDrive to another location on OneDrive, okay? So let's get started. So let's say I wanted to move that timetable from this main OneDrive folder here into where it says video backups. All right, so I'm going to tap those three dots to the right of the name timetable. I'm going to select move, so it just says move. And from here, I'm going to actually go into, simply tap the video backup folder, that's 8.9 gigabytes. Tap into that. And once I'm in there, as you can see, the bottom right hand corner, move here is now highlighted blue, whereas before it was grayed out. I simply have to tap move here, and that file is now going to move from the original location. As you can see, this is the original location here. It's going to now move into where it says video backups, and it's now there. Now I'm going to move it back because I actually want it on the main page. I check this timetable every couple of days just to make sure I'm on task. So let's move it back again. So tapping those three dots, I'm going to choose move from the drop down menu, and I am going to just drop it here. So whenever you choose move, it always takes you back to the main OneDrive folder, and this is my main OneDrive folder here. I'm going to select move here, and that should now move from the original location, which was inside video backups, back to the main OneDrive folder. And there we go. That's how you move a file, and the folder is going to be the same process. Tap the dots, select move. It takes you to the main OneDrive folder here. And let's say I wanted to put this in school training videos. Tap that one there. And now I can simply choose move here. And now that's gone. But because I don't want to do this, I'm going to actually move it back. So going to school training videos, tap the three dots, select move, and move it back to the main OneDrive folder. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do, and have a nice day. Peace.